Want to do amazing captions like this automatically with AI for free?
Playlist on the channel and you'll be good to go. There are so many amazing tutorials and they're all free for you.
This is it. Quick, easy and free. First, sign in with your Google account. Don't forget that the link is in the description. Don't worry about that because you know I am a provider. You're in. Now all you have to do is upload your video. Choose it wisely. Wait just a little bit. That's it.
Did you know you can learn a language or practice a language just...
Can you believe it? That easy, that amazing, and this is especially for you. Now just export it. If you are as mind-blown as I am with these amazing AIs that make our lives so much easier, then all you have to do is check out my channel because I have tutorials on amazing free AI tools for you and your projects. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think I deserve it, don't I? Bye bye for now.